up everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the Verbal Product Reviews, and today I have a new tech tech review for today, unboxing and also a quick review first. So this is new, and I think and the seller who will sell to me is the seller who sell to me this product is said to me that it is from RealMe smartphone. So this is a new cell phone. So this is a what is called this is a bar type phone. So it is not a touch screen, but it has a bigger screen than the others older bar type phones. So this is a keypad phone from DIZO Star 500. So let's take a closer look. So I'm gonna closer look for you today. So I'm gonna start with some specs over here. So here's the specs. Is this network is a GSM 850, 900, 1800, and also 1900. 32 MB plus 32 MB. So memory byte is not a megabyte. So it's also what is this called, mobile phone. It is a cell phone, not a smartphone. So let's gonna take a closer look. Okay, so let's begin. So this is the DIZO Star 500, and this is the DIZO Star 500. So it is also has a MP3 FM radio and MP3 player, 1000 contacts and 200 messages storage, strip torch. It has also a strip torch, and 2.8 inches display, 1900 milliamp battery, and also it has a Bluetooth connectivity. So here is the DIZO Star 500 DIZO DH2002 mobile phone. So it has two SIM cards, color black, and also date is February the release date, the launch date, launch of this mobile phone is in, and so it is a color black, and the network is GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. So 32 MB plus 32 MB. So it's only memory byte, is not a megabyte. So rated 5 volts and 0.5 A amp. So I think screen size is 2 inches, and common generic name is a mobile phone. Net quantity handset is 1U, charger 1 unit, user manual 1 in battery. So it is the weight of 108 grams. Dimension, length, width, and height 132.5, 555.4, and 12.0 millimeters. So there is also a website is www.dizo.net, manufactured by RealFit Shenzhen Intelligent Technology Corporation Incorporated, and this is from Shenzhen, China. So country of origin is China. So let's check it out. So this is the mobile, and then in here, so let's first get the accessories. So this is the user manual. This is the user manual of the DIZO Star 500 mobile phone, and there is the charger. Yes, there's a charger. So as you can see, we can put the AC adapter, model LM133U 0550L01FCC. So this is good, and yes, this is from China, made in China. So here is the phone. So this is the phone. And as you can see, it looks like just the RealMe smartphone, this one, and it has this one. It's the camera, and it is also a removable battery. So let's check the battery at the back. So let's just be careful, is because the back cover is so thin. So okay, and then here it goes. So this is the back cover, so thin, and this is the battery. This is the battery. So use specified DIZO charge only may explode if disposed of in fire. So here's the DIZO, and the model of the battery is the DH2002 rechargeable. Okay, and then here it is. It is also has a SIM 1 and a SIM 2, and the micro SD card slot here at the bottom. So, and it's also approved by NTC here in Philippines. So this is a nice phone from DIZO. So it can be used without a SIM card. So let's open this up. Let's boot up this one. Yes. And here it goes. So you can see the main window and the contacts, and also is the wallpaper. Nice wallpaper. So this is the front. So if you want to go to the main menu, so you can press this back in back, and also you can press you can also press right here. This is the call the main menu and main menu. So let's open some menu. So this is the call logs. It is also missed call, dialed, received calls, rejected calls, and delete calls, and call timers. So let's get back. So, and also there's a contact, so you can put some contacts in here. It is a group chat, so there's a group text, family, friends, business, and classmates. So back, and then there's also a MP3 player. So searching, no music because I didn't put some music on it. So it also has a camera. So let's try some to get some camera here. Okay, so the pixels that I use is 1280 by 960. Okay, not enough space, so I will use some memory cards to capture, and then I'm gonna put this in the edit. So it is got 1280 by 960. So okay, and I cannot take some picture because there's no memory card. So then next here is also the messaging. Yes, you can see right there, and also there's a multimedia. So, and then the phone menu. So, and then it has a FM radio. So it is a wireless. Don't need to, what is this called, don't need to use a analog antenna. Have to You have to use some analog antenna. So it is also a calculator, and look at that, nice calculator, and also has a tools. So light strip. So I don't know what is this light strip. So yes, there it is. This is the light strip. Nice, nice. I love this phone. I love this phone. So this is the light strip. So let's turn it off, and then it's off. So let's see some torch. So this is the torch, and then yes, you can see the torch right there in the camera. So okay, and then there's also an STK. So insert, okay, SIM card has a Bluetooth on it. It has also an alarm, calendar, world clock, and also there is a settings on it. You can see right there, and then lastly the image, there's no photo on it. So and then as you can see, nice keypad right there, and yes, so it is so matte black, and then I don't know if this is speaker on it. So I'm gonna I'm gonna put some video and how great is the video is. So there's a shortcut of the messaging here. If you click this bottom right here, yeah, this, you can create a new SMS, and then also this one, this is the shortcut of the camera, and here the FM, and also right here is a music. Okay, nice. Okay, nice. This is good and perfect. So perfect for gift for your parents. So I think your parents gonna love this because this is so great, and it is so I think it is good for some people that want to downgrade a phone from smartphone to bar type phone. What is called the keypad phone. It's so nice, and I love the what is this called? What is this called? The keypad phone. So you look at that. I really love the touch the keypad. This is so great. This is so great. Nice. And yes, this is so great. And I think it is. Yes, it's from Realme. It's from Realme. It's from Realme smartphone. This is the DIZO. So nice. Nice cover, nice back cover on it. So I'm gonna put some SIM cards right before I use, and also I'm gonna make a review. This is also, this vlog is what is this called unboxing and first impressions of this phone. So I hope you enjoy watching. Okay, this one, final look of the phone. So that was, guys, that was the DIZO Star 500, and this is from RealMe. So I hope you enjoy watching, and this is great. This is great bar phone or keypad phone from your parents or your grandparents. So nice one from DIZO Star 500. So I hope you enjoy watching, and I hope you're gonna buy this. So the price is 1,299 pesos. So ano tawag dito, so Tagalog muna ako. Okay lang po ito, at saka maganda na pong pang gifts, birthday gift or Christmas gift or anything na regalo. So maganda ito regalo para sa mga lola at lolo nyo, at saka sa mga mama at sa mga father and mother nyo. So yung mga maganda na din siyang gamitin itong phone na ito. Okay na okay po talaga, at swak na rin sa budget itong phone na ito. So okay, so thank you so much for watching. This is my channel, the Barman Product Reviews, and I hope you enjoy watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also please like my video. And if you find this interesting kind of vlogs today, this is for this Star 500, please comment down below para malaman niyo na para malaman niyo rin kung saan kayo makakabili nito. Okay, so check nyo lang sa website. So meron silang website, dizo.com, at saka ilalagay ko rin po sa description below the website of this DIZO smartphone. So you can see there, it is from RealMe smartphone. So watch out for more kind of vlogs like this, and then I will posting more. I will make more keypad phones in the future. If there are many keypad phones out there na hindi nga na malapit na rin lumabas, so I will make a video of this. So be sure to subscribe, okay, because I will make more vlogs like this in the future. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and also share my video for today, and thank you so much for watching. Okay.